Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting straight to the point. Sign into your Google account and enable generative AI features. Once signed in, state your intent clearly, for example. Summarize this article, draft a marketing email, or generate code. Make sure to gather 1-3 examples or reference snippets and specify tone and constraints. This primes the model. Now send a concise first prompt that includes the task, audience, length, and any forbidden items, so you start producing useful output immediately. Once you have initial output, refine it through iterative prompts. Request edits, more details, or a different format. You should explain why a revision is needed and give examples of desired changes. Make sure to include verification steps, such as which sources to cite or tests to run for generated code. Use explicit controls for style and structure. Length, tone, bullet lists, or code blocks, so the model follows the template you want and produces reproducible, testable results. You finish by validating the output, run generated code, fact-check claims, and screen for bias or privacy issues. Once satisfied, export or copy the final version and record the prompt and any parameters used for reproducibility. If things go wrong, simplify the prompt, tighten constraints, or ask for a step-by-step breakdown to isolate the problem. Make sure to iterate. Small prompt changes often fix issues, and keeping version notes prevents repeating mistakes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.